Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the account allows derivative beneficiaries and why that matters. It affects payout order and tax treatment. Next, gather names, SSN, dates of birth, and addresses. Accurate data avoids processing delays. Then retrieve the current beneficiary form or online portal, plus account number and a photo ID. Once done, contact the plan or custodian to request the correct form. Make sure you know submission options, upload, mail, or in person so you can act immediately. You fill the beneficiary form carefully. Enter primary and contingent beneficiaries first, then add the derivative beneficiary field and explain their triggering condition. Use clear percentages and make them total 100% for each class. That prevents ambiguity. Provide social security numbers and relationship descriptions so the trustee can verify identity. Once the entries are complete, sign and date where indicated. If notarization or a witness is required, schedule that immediately so you submit the form by your chosen method and obtain a receipt or confirmation number. This proves you acted. Then, confirm the custodian updated the account record to show the derivative beneficiary, because internal errors sometimes occur. If the change is rejected, focus on the most common problem, mismatched names or SSNs, correct those first, then resubmit. Finally, keep copies of everything and follow up periodically. Prompt follow-through prevents disputes later and preserves intended inheritance outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.